Hey there, welcome to Mind Mysteries, your go-to place for unraveling the secrets of the mind and human behavior. Today, we're diving into a topic that many guys wonder about. How can you make a girl like you using psychology-backed ethical strategies? These aren't manipulative tricks, they're genuine habits that subconsciously make you more attractive, not just to women, but to everyone around you. Tip 1. Build a life worth sharing. Before anything else, have your own exciting, fulfilling life. Think about it. If you're offering someone a book that looks amazing on the outside but is empty inside, who'd want to read it? Your life is that book. Fill it with passion, goals, and meaning. When a woman sees that you're already thriving on your own, she'll want to be a part of that world. Tip 2. Have a true passion. Nothing is more magnetic than passion. Whether it's music, cooking, coding, photography, or motorcycling, when you genuinely love something, it shows. Passion makes you attractive. It shows depth, purpose, and focus, all of which are incredibly appealing. Tip 3. Smell clean, look sharp. This one's simple but powerful. Hygiene. You don't need to drown yourself in cologne. Just smell clean, look fresh, and wear clothes that are neat. A subtle, pleasant scent can leave a lasting impression and literally make her want to be closer to you. Tip 4. Let her help you. This might surprise you. Asking her to do small favors can actually build connection. Psychologists call it the Benjamin Franklin effect. When someone does something for you, their brain tells them, "I must like this person." It could be handing you a pen, helping with a project, or small tasks. Keep it light. It's about connection, not convenience. Tip 5. Make her laugh. Laughter is a shortcut to the heart. You don't have to be a stand-up comedian, just be willing to laugh at yourself and create fun moments. Humor builds emotional bonds and makes you unforgettable. Tip 6. Be her friend, but with intent. Being her friend doesn't mean giving up your romantic interest. The key is showing her care, attention, and consistency while keeping your intentions clear. Thoughtful texts, listening to her problems, or simply being there, they all count. Many great relationships start this way. Tip 7. Break the touch barrier respectfully. Subtle, respectful touch builds comfort. Think a friendly shoulder pat, a playful handshake, or handing something directly to her. Non-verbal cues matter, so if she seems uncomfortable, back off. If she smiles or leans in, you're doing it right. Tip 8. Share personal stories. Opening up creates trust. Share a story or small secret. Something honest, something real. It tells her you trust her, which makes her more likely to trust and connect with you. Vulnerability isn't weakness, it's powerful. Tip 9. Give her your full attention. In a world full of distractions, your undivided attention is rare and valuable. Listen to her. Really listen. Remember what she says and bring it up later. That tells her you care, and most guys don't do this. Tip 10. Boost your confidence daily. Confidence is built, not born. Start small. Exercise, improve your skills, talk to people, push your comfort zone. Confidence isn't just sexy, it's contagious. When you feel good in your own skin, people want to be around you. And there you have it. 10 psychological ways to get a girl to like you without being fake or forceful. If you found these tips valuable, give it a like and subscribe to Mind Mysteries for more psychology-backed insights that can change your life. Thanks for watching, and remember, becoming irresistible starts with becoming your best self. See you next time.